Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best featherboards for table saw that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Milescraft 7334 Safety Bundle. This is more than just a featherboard. It's a complete safety kit for woodworkers. Along with the featherboard, you get a push stick and a grabber push block. The unique split-rail construction of the featherboard ensures consistent pressure across your workpiece, while the preload tension design enhances precision. The high-visibility yellow color is a thoughtful touch. At number 5, we have the Milescraft 7334, making this kit easy to spot in a busy workspace. In terms of design and build quality, the featherboard is made from durable plastic, and the additional tools in the bundle feel robust and well-made. While it may not be as specialized as some of the standalone featherboards on this list, it offers great versatility. The push stick's tall handle and the grabber's non-slip grip make it easier to handle materials safely, especially during routing and ripping tasks. The Milescraft 7334 is perfect for beginners or anyone looking to enhance their safety setup without breaking the bank. However, compared to other featherboards on this list, it lacks some advanced features like EVA feathers or single-handed adjustments. Pros include the comprehensive safety bundle and good build quality. The main con is the featherboard itself is not as highly specialized. Overall, also, adding more appropriate training materials. This kit can be a break if your face likes to see them. It has additional tools and good build quality. The main con is that the featherboard itself is not as highly specialized like EVA feathers or single-handed adjustments. Everything from this product is made of durable plastic, and the additional tools in the bundle feel robust and well-made. While it may not be as specialized as some of the standalone featherboards, it lacks some advanced features like EVA feathers or single-handed adjustments. It's a solid choice for those who value a complete safety solution. Coming in at number 4 is the Hedgehog featherboard, a unique product designed for quick and easy adjustments. Its standout feature is the spiral design, which allows for one-handed operation using a single knob. This makes it incredibly user-friendly and highly efficient, saving you time during setup. The premium design tightly holds wood against the fence, ensuring smoother cuts and better precision. The build quality of the Hedgehog featherboard is solid. Made from durable materials, it's lightweight yet sturdy. The CNC milled aluminum miter clamp ensures a secure fit in standard 3/4-inch miter slots. However, it's worth noting that this featherboard is not compatible with 5/8-inch miter slots, so you'll need to double-check your table saw before purchasing. The ergonomic design and single pivot point make adjustments a breeze, making it ideal for both hobbyists and professionals. While the innovative design and ease of use are major strengths, the lack of adaptability to 5/8" slots may be a drawback for some users. Pros include its quick adjustments, reduced kickback, and smoother cuts. The main con is its limited compatibility. If you're looking for a featherboard that combines innovation with simplicity, the Hedgehog is a strong contender. Number 3 is the POWERTEC Universal Tandem Featherboards, which offers great value for its price. This 2-pack includes everything you need for both horizontal and vertical mounting, making it versatile for table saws, router tables, and band saws. The color alert orange design ensures visibility, while the high-quality plastic construction provides durability for long-term use. The standout feature of this featherboard is its miter lock system, which is compatible with both T-slots and miter slots. This makes it adaptable to a wide range of setups. The featherboards are stackable, allowing you to use them in tandem for added control. While the plastic material may not feel as premium as other options on this list, the performance is excellent, offering optimal feed control and kickback prevention. The POWERTEC Universal Featherboards are perfect for budget-conscious woodworkers who want versatility and reliable performance. Pros include its affordability, adaptability, and dual-pack value. Cons are the plastic build, which may not be as durable as more premium materials. Overall, it's a fantastic budget option that doesn't skimp on functionality. In second place, we have the Products Portable Saw Featherboard FP5. This featherboard is specifically designed for contractor saws or smaller table surfaces, making it an excellent choice for those with portable setups. The high-density EVA foam feathers are a standout feature, offering superior grip and control while also protecting your workpiece from marring. The FP5 is lightweight yet highly durable, with replaceable feathers and included hardware for both 5/8 and 3/4" miter slots. The chain-link hexagonal adjustment knob allows for precise tension adjustments, ensuring a secure fit. While it may lack the size and versatility of its bigger sibling, the FeatherPRO FP1, the FP5 is compact and easy to use, making it ideal for on-the-go woodworkers. The EVA foam material provides excellent vibration absorption, resulting in cleaner and safer cuts. Pros include its portability, superior grip, and kickback prevention. The main con is that it's better suited for smaller setups and may not be ideal for larger, stationary table saws. If you need a featherboard for a portable table saw, the FP5 is an outstanding choice. Finally, at the top of our list is the Products FeatherPRO FP1, and it's here for good reason. This featherboard is engineered for maximum safety and performance, featuring EVA feathers that offer 5x greater kickback resistance compared to traditional plastic or wooden feathers. The unique living hinge design ensures a secure grip and smooth feed control, while the EVA material minimizes chatter and vibration for cleaner, more precise cuts. The build quality is exceptional, with replaceable and reversible feathers that won't damage even the softest woods or set off sensitive safety systems like SawStop. The Anchor Pro hardware ensures a firm and reliable fit in both T-slots and miter slots, while the ergonomic knobs make adjustments comfortable and easy. Whether you're a professional woodworker or a serious hobbyist, the FeatherPRO FP1 is built to deliver. While it's on the pricier side, the FeatherPRO FP1 offers unparalleled performance and safety, making it well worth the investment. Pros include its superior kickback resistance, clean cutting performance, and high-quality build. The main con is its higher price point compared to budget options. If you're looking for the best featherboard on the market, the FeatherPRO FP1 is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.